Thanks. Closing it up.
What?
You guys are all out?
Yeah, we're dead.
Oh, I gotta go with these guys.
He's like, oh.
I got 2 mags left.
Thought you were out, Shirley. Thought you were out.
Where's Seth at?
What?
Let me know when they're getting closer.
Hey, open road. Hey, sniper, open road.
Oh, that was bad.
Wow, there's nobody over there. That sucks.
They got it covered. So move up.
Hey, Bert. Go back there. Whoa.
There's only 3 of them left, guys.
How many?
3.
Hey, here they come. They're moving up.
Seth is down. Who's the last guy down? Oh, 1 left. Who? Joe. Seth is down. I got him. Who's left? I don't know. I think it's Flash.
Flash it down. Everybody should move up except for one guy.
He's still alive.
Fohammer and Major are down.
He's still alive.
I don't know. I'm gonna go find out. Wow. Look at that one. Nice.
Let's see.
Oh, I'm recording, dude. It's video.
Better put my glasses on.
Looking nice.